Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
How to draw a car for kids. A step-by-step guide. Cars are one of the most loved toys among kids. This tutorial helps you teach your child how to draw a simple car in a matter of minutes. What you will need for drawing a car: an A4 size plain drawing paper, a pencil, an eraser, a scale, colors, crayons, watercolor, or sketch pens. 10 easy steps for drawing a car for kids. Step 1. Draw a horizontal line and 2 circles over it. Using a scale, draw a horizontal line on the bottom half of the A4 size drawing paper. Then draw 2 circles over the line, as shown in the figure. These circles are the wheels that will take you places. Step 2. Draw smaller circles inside the wheels. Now, draw another circle on the inside of the car wheels, as shown in the figure. This is what we call the barrel of the wheel. Step 3. Draw the third set of circles inside the wheels. Draw a small circle in the center of each wheel. Your drawing might look like scary eyes right now, but trust me, it is your car. We're just making it simple for you. These little circles, by the way, are the center caps. Step 4. Draw lines from the innermost circle till the second circle on each wheel. Now draw 5 equidistant lines starting from the innermost circle and ending at the second circle. These lines are the spokes of the wheels. You may choose to use your scale to draw these lines or go freehand. Step 5. Connect the wheels with 2 horizontal lines. Now connect the wheels with 2 horizontal lines. You can use your scale here as well. These lines form the base of the car. Step 6. Draw 2 rectangles on either side of the wheels. Now, on either side of the wheels, draw 2 rectangles extending away from each other, as shown in the figure. Step 7. Draw the body of the car. To make this part of the drawing simple, we'll break it down in 3 steps. Step 1. First, from the left-hand side of the drawing paper, and from above the rectangle, draw a curved line that stops just above the end of the wheel on the right-hand side. The front portion of this curve will be the hood of your car. Step 2. Then, to connect the rear of the car, draw another curved line from the end of the rectangle on the right-hand side till the point where the first line stops. This part is the trunk of your car. Step 3. Now, draw a semicircle on the top, starting from the point where the first 2 curved lines met till the end of the first wheel. Voila! You just drew the windshield and the roof of the car. Step 8. Draw the car door and the headlight. Now, let's add a car door and the headlight. For this step, you have to draw 2 slightly curved lines in the center portion of the car, as shown in the figure. Add a small rectangle near the second line for the handle. This completes your car door. Drawing the headlight of the car is even more simple. Just draw an oval on the hood of the car, the curve on the extreme left of your drawing paper. Step 9. Draw the windows with 2 quadrants. Now, draw 2 quadrants, one big and one small to make the windows of your car. You can use your scale to get the lines straight, but it's not required. Just make them look like the car windows as shown in the image. Step 10. Paint it on. Wow! Your car has really come together well. Now all that's remaining is to gather your favorite colors and paint that car. With this easy step-by-step guide, drawing a car is not as difficult as it seemed before, is it? Just grab some papers and pencils, and let your child get started.